I look like a boho shorty, yeah.
She ain't got me feeling real loud. Now that me and Shawty been talking. Yeah. Fuck.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Trustin Jaw TV, and this time I'm showing you guys how I got these pretty passion twists. Okay, they are so cute. Just to let y'all know, I am a beginner. This is only my second time ever doing my hair. Like, the first time I did individual crochets. Why is my voice shaking? I did individual crochets and they like crochet faux locks, and they came out so good. I was forced to learn how to do my hair because of quarantine, because the hair salons wasn't open. So I did that, loved it, and then I saw people doing passion twists. I was like, that is actually really easy. I can do it, and so here I am today. No, but I really, I felt like I could do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. I follow Brie Hall's method, so I'll put that link to the video in my description box. Also, if you have trouble parting or you don't know where to start with parting, like I'm telling you, I'm starting from scratch. I'm just learning things as I go. I also learned how to do that on YouTube, so I'll link some of those videos below, show you guys what videos I referred to, and taught myself how to part my hair and stuff. So let's get into the stuff you will need. Okay, so first you're gonna need some hair. A lot of the tutorials on YouTube, they use water wave hair, and even the person that created Passion Twist, she used water wave, but I use Bohemian braid because that's what Brie Hall used, and I got that off of Amazon. I'll leave that link down below. Just check the description box, okay, for everything I'm about to say. I got that off of Amazon. I got 7 packs of the Bohemian braid. It was 22 inches and it is T1B30, so it has like the brown ends. Got 7 packs of those. 22 inches, just to show you guys, comes down to my butt. So they offered it in 18 inches and 22 inches. I would have been fine with 18 inches, but look at me extra. And then I got 2 packs of this Freetress braid in Bohemian braid, 20 inches of the TP27 613. It's super pretty. So that's what these blonde pieces are. I used about 7 packs of the Amazon hair, so this is all I have left. And then I just use 1 pack of the Freetress braid, or yeah, the Freetress brand. The Freetress braid I got from my beauty supply store. You'll also need crochet hooks. Got that from beauty supply, but a crochet hook also comes with the Amazon hair. So if you decide to get that, you'll also get one in the mail, and some hair jewelry, but it's like blue, green. I personally didn't like it, but to each his own. I also got Murray's 100% beeswax, and then a lot of people, they use mousse at the end of their style. I have not put in mousse yet because I bought this cream of nature mousse, but it smells terrible. It smells like old lady perfume, so I did not use that yet. So after this video, I'm about to go and buy me some mousse. And then of course I got hair jewelry, which I have not put in yet, but yeah. So let me stop talking, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. All right, so get your piece ready. Excuse my edges, they a little thin, but so get your piece ready, and then you want to go ahead and split that into 3 like this, and go ahead and braid it. You're not gonna braid it all the way down, you're just gonna do this about 3 or 4 times. And then you're going to get, normally for everything on my head, I did 2 pieces of this, but for this I'm gonna do 1 because I had it done before, but I took it out for the video because it was too tight. And if y'all don't know, passion twists, at least mine, are very heavy, and that 2 strands of the Bohemian braid was too heavy right there, and I don't want to pull it out. So for this, I'm just gonna do 1 strand of hair. So you're gonna take it and then you're gonna split it down the middle. Oops, to take the curl out. Hold up, I'm struggling. Gonna do it on both sides. So it should look like this. You're gonna take your hook, make sure that it's closed. So you see that it can open and close like that. Put it under the braid. I just leave mine hanging. I'm not coordinated like these other hairdressers. But anyway, take your strand, make sure that it's even on the ends. And you're gonna use the top of the hair to loop it onto your crochet hook, okay? The tops of the hair, the top of this normally has this little hoop on it, and that's what's gonna help you attach your strands onto your real hair, okay? So then you want to make sure that your hook is open. I like to grab mine like this, put it on to the hook, close the hook or latch, I mean, and then just pull it through. Open the latch, take it out, open the loop again, grab the Bohemian braid hair and your real hair, pull it through, and then you're just gonna, just gonna tighten it. So what I like to do, I like to divide my real hair into 2 and then the Bohemian braid into 2. So I make sure that each side of the Bohemian braid has my real hair attached to it. Then you're gonna take some of your Murray's Beeswax. I like to rub it between my fingers like this and then coat both strands like so, like that. And then you just begin twisting. To blend my real hair, I like to twist my hand as I'm twisting. I find that makes it a lot easier for my hair to blend in more, because I have 4C hair and this is like silky, okay? So this is gonna help your hair blend in a little more. All right. And then once I can't see my real hair anymore, I just take some more Murray's, rub it in between my fingers, and then I don't focus so much on doing that twisting motion with my hand like that. I just twist. And this is very long. So I'm at the end now. That's how long it is. Oh, I can't even see. And then I just take the end and I wrap it like that. I wrap it like this, and then that's how it's gonna be. And see, with one strand, that's how it's gonna look. So this is 2 strands, which I like that look, but this is closer to my edge right here, and I want to have as little tension as possible. So this is 1 strand, 2 strand, and that, you guys, is how you do it. But now I want to show y'all how I do one of the blonde pieces, because the Freetress Bohemian braid is thinner than the Amazon Bohemian braid that I ordered, so I had to use more hair for that. So what I do is I take 2 strands of the blonde hair And then I'm going to separate that like I showed y'all before. And then you're going to take one of the Amazon hair, just one strand, and separate that. So this way your twist will, like if you decide to use the blonde, it'll be the same size as a regular twist that you would do without the blonde. So if you only did one strand of the blonde hair, it's gonna come out looking really thin. So I got them separated. Now I'm going to combine them all together. To again, take your piece of hair, divide it into 3, and then and then braid it down. Get your crochet hook, make sure it's closed. Make sure it's closed, put it in. It opened as I was putting it in, but yeah, the hook is open. You're gonna put the hair on. What? Okay, it's all on there. Close the latch. Well, it was already closed, but close the latch, pull it through, open the latch, take the hair off. You want to open the loop that we just had. Take the Bohemian braid, all of the Bohemian braid hair and your real hair, and put it through the loop. Pull it through, pull that so it'll be secure at the root. I like to separate the hair and pull like that because sometimes it could bunch up at the root. Then you're gonna take your Murrays again. Why did I do that? Rub them between your fingers. Separate your real hair and the Bohemian braid hair. Like so, like that. And then you're gonna coat both sides with the Murray's beeswax. And then you just twist. Like remember I said when I'm trying to blend my real hair, I'm making sure I'm doing this twisting motion as I twist the hair so it'll blend in better. Then, like I said, at the end, I just twirl it, and you want to make sure you have like scissors or something to cut off this excess. And yeah, that is the twist. Now with the blonde, it's a little bit more messy, which I like that look. I feel like it, you know, everything else looks pretty neat, but with the blonde, it adds a little razzle dazzle to the hair. So if you don't like that messy look, then I wouldn't recommend using the blonde. It's just naturally more messy. Like I don't know how else to say it. All of my blonde pieces came out that way. Like they're not as tight for some reason, no matter how tight I twist it, but I'm okay with that because it's only a couple strands throughout my hair. So yeah, you guys, that concludes my video. I hope you learned something today. And I hope you guys can achieve the same look and customize it how you would like to customize it. If you want to make it less full, more full, whatever the case may be. But let's get these passion twists together, okay? But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, see you on my next video.